I just realized something. You guys haven't seen me make this yet. Huh. You know what? Time to rewind. Hey guys and gals out there, this is Rockin Raffi bringing you another edition of Rockin Raffi's Home Cooking. Today, we've got something fast, simple, and easy to make. But before we begin, I have a question for you. How many of you Rockinites out there love smoothies? Right? I do. How many of you love apple pie? Well, today, your dream has come true. We're gonna make an apple pie smoothie. And the best part is, it's all vegan. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Time to get this pie on. And here it is, the apple pie smoothie. Let's drink it up. And here's looking at you, fall. It's like eating an apple pie, but drinking it. So good, so refreshing. You guys are gonna love doing this one because this one's very easy to make. Simple ingredients, just a few of them. Put them all together, throw them on the blender, and crush it all up. You vegans out there, this one's for you. That's the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know if you've made this recipe and what you think about it. Until next time, keep on rocking.